Presenting the all-new Hilux Conquest, built for those who demand power and prestige, built for the relentless. Every inch a Hilux, striking new design, aggressive front fascia, bold grille, and signature LED lights. Bigger, bolder, better. Tougher off-road capability with improved stability and ground clearance. Redesigned alloy wheels, bold multi-spoke styling with a premium machined finish. Featuring the redesigned stepboard, engineered for easier access and a commanding look. Featuring the side rear stepboard designed for easier cargo bed access and added style. Bold Toyota lettering for premium identity. Sleek integrated spoiler for sporty aerodynamics. Modern C-shaped LED tail lamps. Tough rear bumper with stepboards. Under the hood, the powerful and efficient 2.81 GDF TV engine, upgraded powertrain for stronger performance and efficiency, enhanced torque output for towing and off-road dominance, improved fuel economy with advanced engine tuning, refined NVH levels, noise vibration, harshness for smoother rides, eco-friendly compliance with modern emission standards, now equipped with auto-fold side mirrors, auto light, and welcome lights. Bigger 12.3-inch infotainment, clearer, sharper, and more immersive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Redesigned steering wheel, modern, sportier look with premium finish. The new electric parking brake and auto hold function, effortless one-touch activation. Crystal clear panoramic view monitor, sharper resolution for maximum visibility. The new color Ash. Introducing Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, the most advanced suite of driver assist technologies yet. With an enhanced pre-collision system, it detects vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists with greater precision. The super white Premium cabin upgrade, refined materials and modern finishes for a first-class feel. 12.3-inch infotainment display, expanded digital cluster, new steering wheel design, premium comfort, soft touch, leather seats for a luxurious ride. Let's check the color available and price. Super white, emotional red, attitude black mica, the new color ash. Please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.